Hey YouTube geeks, today we're looking at the PT18 by Brinyte. It is a tactical flashlight from hell. Let's go take a peek. Okay, so we have our aircraft grade high strength aluminum finish on this. It is a desert sand color with black trim. You get the black bevel and the black clip. Looks really nice on there. Also a tactical ring that is attached to this flashlight. It is removable. I absolutely love it. Very fierce. And our manual that you get with your flashlight is very well put together. Very easy to read, very easy to understand. I just like how Brinyte did this. Very well put together. Next, you have your lanyard, paracord 550. It's quite long. You got your clip at the end there. It's good to have paracord with you if you're outdoors. You never know when you're going to need it. As you can see, you can clip it right there on your flashlight if you need to, or if you want to. Next, you have your braided cord to charge. It's a USB connection there to a magnetic charge there. See the quality of this cord, very well done. And connections right there, very strong magnet. I've had no issues with it. Next, we have the pouch. This is a very unique pouch. I really like what they've done with this. You got your clip on the back here. Very strong, sturdy clip. I like how you can rotate it. I tend to wear my pouch horizontally, and it's tough. It's rugged. Nice Velcro. I like the Velcro versus a snap-on. And as you can see, you got two side pouches. You can have extra batteries in there, maybe slide a pen in there, Sharpie. And then Brinyte's emblem in the front. Let's go ahead and put the flashlight in. It's got a spot on the side for the tactical ring. And then they have openings on both ends, the top and bottom of the pouch. That way you can actually, you still use the flashlight while it's in the pouch. That's awesome. I am impressed. Okay, so it does come with 3 spare rings here, little rubber washers, you can, just in case you lose one or one gets wore out. It keeps it waterproof. And you see the grips here and the design. It's very simple and well done. It looks really good on this light. Of course, your clip. Well, let's look at the buttons on it. It's got the 2 tail switches, and you also have your switch on the side, and of course the charge port as well. And you got that little guy there, so it helps it prevent rolling off the table if you don't have your clip or your tactical ring on your light. Again, this tactical ring is something else. I love it. You can access your tail switches very easily. There's the bevel. The bevel looks great on this light. I like the contrast with the black and the desert sand color. And of course your LED which is a Cree LED. All right, well, let's take out the battery and take a peek at that. You have a 18650 battery, 3100 milliamp, 3.6 volt. Inside you can see the well constructed springs. They did a really good job with the construction of this flashlight. It is rugged. And you can take your tactical ring off, and it's got some more texture there, good for grip. I'll put the battery back in here. You can kind of see what it looks like without the tactical ring. You can see there you got your little rubber O-ring there. Helps prevent water from getting inside, makes it waterproof. IP68 waterproof. Still looks awesome without the clip, and without the tactical ring. Let's put that sucker back on. You can see inside the tactical ring, it's got little notches. Basically, you want to light them up with the little arrows, and that's how you know where to place it. I think those arrows are more for suggestive. I mean, you can basically put that tactical ring on however you want to. And there you go. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, so let's take a peek at the lumens on here. So you have your low, medium, high, and turbo. You have a strobe, and you have SOS. So your low's at 10 lumens at 1,870 minutes. Your middle is 60 plus lumens at 930 minutes. Your high is at 450 lumens at 150 minutes. Your turbo is 2,000 plus lumens, 1 minute and 90 seconds. I'm sorry. And your strobe is at 2,000 plus lumens. Your SOS is 60 plus lumens. As you can see, you can activate your strobe by the bottom smaller tail switch. You can actually click in your turbo, and then you can use the other button to run through your different settings, your low, medium, high, and turbo functions. Very easy. Okay, let's test it outside. You can see the low, medium, high, turbo. And these trees are about, I'll say about 50 yards away. It is raining / snowing out in April. All right, let's point them up to these trees here. Those are probably about 100 yards away. I mean, this light is amazing. You can really go the distance with this light. And there's your strobe. And it's got a different strobe pattern that goes on. That's awesome. I like that. And there's your SOS there. Very good light. Okay, so what do I think about this flashlight? I have no cons that I can think of. I tried really hard to think of some cons, but I couldn't think of any. Pros. My first pro, and my favorite thing about the flashlight really, is the dual switch in the back. The tail switch. It's awesome. It's amazing. I don't even have to look. I know what I'm pressing. You get your strobe right there on the bottom, and you got your max lumens right there. You can hold it, you can press it. Awesome. The tactical ring is great. Nothing wrong with this tactical ring. It is fierce. The bevel is great. I like the shape. I like the looks of it. Nice black on the desert sand color is awesome. Great. The battery life on this is awesome. And the way you charge it with a magnet, just put it on just like this, and it's great. I love it. Nothing wrong with it. This guy right here, bam, I actually prefer the pouch. The pouch is unique to me. Very good job, Brinyte, on that pouch. You can keep that flashlight in there. You can actually take the pouch off and still have the flashlight in the pouch and still be able to use it. Great, good deal. I like that it's waterproof. I like the style, the design. It's very rugged. It's a rugged flashlight. Brinyte has got another flashlight, kind of like this. It's more of an EDC version, everyday carry. It's a little smaller. It's meant for everyday carry. I would love to review that one. It is a bigger flashlight. Let's do a size comparison real quick. Here's my Ontario Rat 2. You can see there, it's a decent sized flashlight. Would you want to carry this every day? Most people, probably not. Me, I like the strength of it. It actually does really well at work, so I will take it with me. I really like how far this light throws. It goes out there. Whatever I'm looking for in the dark, I'm gonna find it with this light. This flashlight would be really good for anybody who's in law enforcement, and firefighters, anybody in the military, any outdoors people, flashlight enthusiasts like me. Just want to say thanks to Brinyte. They did a really good job on this flashlight. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.